In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric jigsaws available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric jigsaws list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric jigsaws mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 6-speed brushless jigsaw for Makita 18V battery. This 6-speed brushless jigsaw is ideal for home DIY woodworking projects. It features 4-position orbital action modes for faster and smoother cutting. Compatible with Makita B-series lithium batteries, it offers versatility and convenience. The all-metal keyless clamp allows quick and easy blade changes, while the variable speed trigger enables precise control with up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Durable and efficient, this jigsaw is perfect for cutting wood, plastic, and metal. A reliable tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. Price, $91.10, 50% off. Number 4, 20V cordless jigsaw for Makita 18V battery. Designed for woodworking and renovation tasks, this 20V cordless jigsaw ensures efficient cutting with a 2700 RPM no-load speed and a 15mm stroke length. Weighing only 1.8 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle for extended use. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers global usability with 50/60 Hz frequency. The tool is well suited for smooth, precise cuts, making it a go-to choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and precision in every project. Price, $77.65, 50% off. Number 3, cordless jigsaw compatible with Dewalt battery. This cordless jigsaw is compatible with Dewalt 18V and 20V batteries, offering high performance with a powerful 3800 RPM brushless motor. Designed for woodworking enthusiasts, it delivers smooth cuts in wood, plastic, and other materials. The tool features a compact and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use during prolonged tasks. Reliable and efficient, it provides excellent value for DIYers and professionals. Please note, batteries are not included. Price, $84.54, 10% off. Number 2, cordless jigsaw, versatile woodworking power tool. This cordless jigsaw is perfect for DIY woodworking projects, offering a non-slip handle for comfortable control and air vent cooling to prevent motor burnout. The self-locking mechanism ensures user safety, while the anti-drop design allows quick blade installation. Lightweight and versatile, it's ideal for cutting various materials, including wood and plastic. With its thoughtful design and reliable performance, this tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional woodworker. Price, $67.47, 50% off. Number 1, Dewalt DCS 334 Scroll Saw. The Dewalt DCS 334 20V Max brushless jigsaw is a premium scroll saw designed for precise woodworking. Featuring a D handle for superior grip, it offers variable speed control for tailored cutting. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers exceptional efficiency and durability. This multifunctional power tool is suitable for intricate scrollwork and standard cuts in wood, metal, and plastic. A professional-grade tool for serious woodworkers. Price, $294.71, 35% off.